I'm sure you've heard the news, AI is taking over, but what if it could take over your marketing too, and save you a ton of cash? Meet MarketingBlocks, your AI-powered marketing dream team. Over 100 AI agents ready to handle everything: customer support, sales, training, content. You name it, they do it. Need punchy captions, magnetic emails, or catchy scripts? The AI copywriters have your back. Want daily posts and real engagement? The AI social managers handle the grind while you chill. Faceless video reels, looping, B-rolls, scroll-stopping graphics. Done. Need a slick landing page or a killer website? AI designers roll it out in minutes. Media buyers amplify your content while SEO bots boost your Google ranking. Customer support? There's an AI agent for that too. Here's the kicker. It costs just 19 cents a day. That's less than a gumball. Ready to save time and money? Hit the link below to try MarketingBlocks for free. Why work harder when your AI team can work smarter?